This is Ryan with Cannons Marina, and this is our new 2023 Grady White 336 Fisherman. It is April of 2024, which means that this is a leftover that we need to clear out, and there's going to be special pricing on it. Let's go check it out. Hull number NTLM-T557A323. Moving to the cockpit, we have the fold-down aft seating with a live well, insulated fish box or drink cooler, the white Yamaha 300 with the digital electronic steering, and we have the neat cockpit teak step. Right here we have a little tackle center, the drawer, nice painted rod holders, little knife holders. Let's go up to the front. This is brand new, so the dash has not had electronics put on it. A nice, you could do a nice set of a single 12-inch Garmin display. Would look really good. Fusion stereo, push button start, and your anchor windlass control. Bennett turn tabs, tilt steering wheel. There's a view from the helm here. We have an overhead radio box for storage. And then right here, this is where life jackets go. Nice and neat. Out of the way and easy to get to. And there's more rod holders. And moving into the head area, we do have a Dometic porta potty. Little area right there. Moving forward, we have a nice U-shaped seating area. Anchor windlass. Good size insulated storage boxes. This forward seating area. With another little drink cooler right there. Good sound system. These nice little flip up backrests. We'll go flush for fishing. Kind of nice for leaning up against for the rod. And she's got speakers everywhere. Great sound system. Cup holders. Oh, another live well there. So this is it. Overview of this new 236 Fisherman. Again, my name's Ryan. If there's anything I can do for you, call me anytime on my cell. 941-465-1598. Thank you.